Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video, I will solving the quadratic equation in Python programming language. The code must be learned because this should have to be learned to solve the quadratic equation by a programmer. Have to be learn this concept. Before much further ado, I want you guys to subscribe this channel and also don't be forgotten to share these videos and also subscribe this channel. So yeah, here now I want to import one of the module of Python, that is the math function. It imported successfully. From the math I want to import sqrt. Here sqrt stands for square root of the given number which we gave. Here a as float. I want to take a variable as in the float data type in the form of input, and in the text as usual a equals 2. I want to give a equals to as 4. So if I want to take as the same way b equals to float in the form of input, in the text b equals 2. So I want to give b equals to as -4. Let's just see as the same way float in the input field, and in the text c equals 2. C equals 2. Okay, here I want to give c as minus of 5. Okay, I want to make another variable named as d, which is equals to b into b minus of 4 into a into c. Okay, if b is greater than 0, then x1 variable is equals to x1. In the quadratic equation, the value of x1 is minus of b plus the square root of d divided by 2 into a. And at the same way I want to give x2 equals to minus of b minus of square root of d, as in the same way, as in the same sense, it is also divided by 2 into a. Okay, the two conditions satisfy, then to print x1 value, x1 equals to the percentage of modulus of x1 equals to the modulus of 2 modulus of dot 2f dot 2f to f, and x2 equals to modulus of dot 2f, and quotation ends with the modulus of x1 and x2. Else if d equals to 0, if the condition of the d is equals to 0, then it will be to print x1 equals to minus of b divided by 2 times of 2 into a, with the bracket open and here close, and if the condition satisfies there, then to print x1 equals to modulus of into 2f and at the rate modulus of x1 x1. Okay, and else the last condition is else to print there is no roots, print no roots. Let's say what's the condition satisfies there. Here the value of x and the value of x1 and x2 is completely printed. That's how you solve the quadratic equation in the form of a programming concept. So here, if you want to learn this kind of more concept, please share this video, and also don't be forgotten to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much for being with me.